Which power inverter is actually good for your semi-truck? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options so you can stop stressing about power on the road. Product number 1, BELTTT 2000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter. First up is the BELTTT 2000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter. Priced at $179.99, it caught my eye with its impressive specs and the fact that it's a bestseller. If you're looking for reliable power on the go, this is worth a serious look. The pure sine wave output means your equipment operates safely and efficiently, reducing the risk of damage. With an efficiency rating of over 93%, it maximizes your battery's performance, which is crucial for long-haul trips. Plus, the intelligent LCD display shows real-time voltage and load status, helping you manage your power effectively. Now, some people mention that the installation process can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not handy. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, you'll appreciate the consistent power supply and safety features like overload protection. It's a solid investment for anyone serious about their trucking needs. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable inverter for sensitive electronics during long hauls. Skip this one if you're looking for something more basic or if budget is a primary concern. Overall, it offers good value for the performance it delivers. Now, if the installation challenge of the BELTTT 2000W bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Pro Chaser 400W Power Inverter. Next is the Pro Chaser 400W Power Inverter, which is a bang-for-your-buck option at just $29.39. This compact inverter surprised me with its dual AC outlets and fast-charging USB ports. If you're looking for a portable power solution on a budget, it's worth checking out. The dual USB ports also push out 4.8A, which means you can charge multiple devices quickly while you're on the road. Its compact design makes it easy to stash in your cab or take along on trips, and it's engineered with safety features to protect against overloads and overheating. However, some users complained about the limited power output, especially if you need to run multiple high-wattage devices at once. But here's the catch, if you're mainly charging phones or laptops, this inverter does the job perfectly and won't break the bank. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight solution for charging devices during short trips. Skip this one if you plan to run heavier equipment or appliances. It's a great value for casual use. That was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more power. Product number 3, YSO-LX 300W Car Power Inverter. Third up is the YSO-LX 300W Car Power Inverter, priced at $24.68. I love how portable it is. This little guy is designed for on-the-go charging. If you want something that packs a punch without taking up much space, this could be your answer. This inverter features dual AC outlets and 24W of fast-charging USB-C and USB-A ports. The compact size means you can easily fit it in your glove compartment or backpack, and it even has a smart cooling fan that operates quietly to keep everything at optimal temperatures. One thing to note is that it can't handle high-power devices like hair dryers or electric heaters, which some users found limiting. However, for everyday charging of electronics, it's a reliable choice that won't disappoint. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel with multiple small devices and need reliable charging. Skip this one if you require heavy-duty power for larger appliances. It's a budget-friendly option that suits light users well. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power for more serious needs, this next product could be just what you're after. Product number 4, BESTK 300W Power Inverter. Now let's talk about the BESTK 300W Power Inverter, retailing at $24.69. This is a trusted name in the inverter world, and it genuinely surprised me with its performance. If you're looking for something reliable from a reputable brand, this one's worth your attention. Providing 300 watts of continuous power and peaking at 700 watts, this inverter is great for charging larger devices like laptops while also offering 2 USB ports for smaller gadgets. The compact design makes it convenient for travel, and it even includes a built-in fuse for protection against electrical issues, which is a must-have for road trips. However, some users noted that the fan can be a bit noisy when it kicks in, which might be distracting for some. But honestly, I wouldn't let that deter you. The safety features and overall reliability make it a solid choice for most drivers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable inverter from a trusted brand at an affordable price. Skip this one if noise is a significant concern for you. It delivers good quality for a low price. Alright, that covers the BESTK. But if you're in need of something that can handle even more power, I have one last product to share. Product number 5, BELTTT 3000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter. Lastly, we have the BELTTT 3000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter priced at $249.99. This one is a powerhouse and might be what you're looking for if you need top-tier performance. If you're serious about your power needs, this is definitely worth considering. The pure sine wave output ensures that sensitive electronics like computers and medical devices run smoothly. Plus, the intelligent LCD display keeps you informed about input-output voltages and battery status, which is crucial for long trips. Some reviews mentioned it being on the pricier side, which is valid. But for the capabilities it offers, especially for serious truckers or those using multiple devices, it's a worthy investment. This is perfect for you if you need substantial power and have several devices to charge at once. Skip this one if you're only powering basic electronics. It's a high-quality option that justifies its price for serious users. So to wrap it all up, we talked about the BELTTT 2000W for reliable power, Pro Chaser 400W for budget-friendly portability, YSOLX 300W for compact convenience, BESTK 300W for brand reliability, and BELTTT 3000W for serious power needs. Each has its strengths, so think about what suits your situation best. Happy trucking!